WeMasterTrade. Trade. Trade. Trade.
Welcome back, everybody. It's me, Aiden here, and I'm beyond excited to meet you tonight for another incredible live session. So, remember that you've been with for a while. This is your first time joining. Buckle up because we've got a jam-packed section full of insight, strategies, and the kind of tips that will take your trading game to a whole new level. So, who's ready to crush it today? So we've got traders tuning in from all over the world, and it's awesome to see that everybody coming together to share, learn and grow. So let's keep that momentum going because today's session is going to be next level. We've got some special guests here who are here to share their stories and strategies that will help them rise to the top of their game. So trust me, you don't want to miss a single word. So first of all, I have the honors of introducing Scarlett, an absolute beast in the Forex market. So Scarlett's been mastering Forex trading for over 2 years and a half, and she's here to share some seriously valuable insights with all of you. So Scarlett, how's it going?
Hi, Aidan. I feel fantastic and thrilled to be here. It's always wonderful to engage with the WeMasterTrade community and discuss the successful approaches I've recently adopted. I'm eager to delve into some of the strategies I've been applying in the Forex markets.
So I love that energy, and I know that the audience is bummed to hear all about your Forex journey. But before we get into that, let's not forget about our next guest, Ralph. So Ralph been dominating the fund trading scenes, especially in the high-stakes world of crypto and stock. So how's everything?
Hey Aiden, I'm equally excited to be here. These sections always offer fresh topics for discussion, and today I'm thrilled to share some of the strategies that have been effective for me in fund trading. It's going to be an engaging section.
So that's what we love to hear. So everyone watching, make sure you've got a notepad ready because Scarlett and Ralph are about to drop some serious knowledge bombs, and we'll be diving deep into their experiences, challenges, and the strategies that will help them thrive in the fast-paced world of trading. Alright, Scarlett, let's kick things out with you. You've been trading Forex for over 2 years and a half now. And I know that the Forex market can be a bit of a roller coaster. So can you tell us how you got your start in Forex trading and what led you to choose WeMasterTrade as your platform?
Well, certainly, Aidan. I began Forex trading about 2 years ago. What captivated me initially was the market's vibrancy and perpetual activity. The forex market is exceptionally dynamic, and I was attracted to the concept that there's always potential for success regardless of the circumstances. When I first discovered WeMasterTrade, it immediately resonated with me as the perfect match. The resources they provide, including sophisticated technical analysis and access to real-time data, truly impressed me. However, it was the community aspect that clinched it for me. WeMasterTrade places a strong emphasis on aiding trader success by offering essential tools and support to advance, regardless of your starting point.
So that's fantastic, Scarlett. It sounds like WeMasterTrade has really helped you evaluate your game. Now, Forex is known for its volatility, and sometimes that can make or break a trader. So how do you handle the ups and downs of the market without letting the pressures get to you?
Great question. Volatility can be challenging, but it's also where real opportunities are. The key is having a solid risk management plan. I always say you have to respect the risk. It's important to stay disciplined, and WeMasterTrade's risk management tools help me to do that. Their real data alert and customizable risk parameters allow me to react quickly but with control. When the market moves fast, you have to stay calm, trust your strategy, and not let emotions take over. And for me, that's where WeMasterTrade filters really shine.
So that is some seriously valuable insights, Scarlett. Managing risk and staying cool under pressure is definitely key in forex trading. Now, let's switch gears to fund trading. So I believe you've been crushing it for nearly 2 years, specializing in long-term strategies. So can you tell us what drew you to fund trading and how it differs from other forms of trading?
Absolutely, Aidan. Fund trading reserves around strategic long-term growth. It's not about seeking quick wins, but constructing a portfolio that can steadily advance over time. What truly distinguishes fund trading is the need to consider both short-term and long-term perspective. Careful risk management is crucial, while simultaneously keeping an eye out for emergency opportunity. WeMasterTrade real data and analysis tools have been instrumental in achieving this balance. They enable me to make well-informed decisions that align with my long-term strategies, even when the market presents unexpected challenges.
So I love that. Fund trading definitely seems that it requires a lot of patience and foresight. So how do you stay focused, let's say on the bigger picture, especially when the market gets rocky?
Well, patience is paramount in fund trading. The market experiences fluctuations, but short-term ups and downs shouldn't dictate your long-term strategies. A crucial lesson I've learned is to maintain emotional detachment. Don't get overly excited when things are going well, and don't panic when the market dips. WeMasterTrade risk management tools assist me in staying disciplined. Even during volatility, I can set precise risk parameters and have peace of mind knowing that I'm not always exposed, even when the market behaves unpredictably.
So that such advice, keeping emotion in check, is definitely a big part of being successful in trading. So you both have shared some serious gems so far, but let's talk about the tools that have helped you get to where you are today. So Scarlett, can you share one specific features in WeMasterTrade that's been a game changer for you in Forex?
Definitely, a tool I absolutely rely on is the accounting size filter. It offers up-to-the-minute data on how my account is performing, and I use it to observe patterns, evaluate my trades, and make better informed choices. Whether I'm pinpointing the best time to enter a market or deciphering market trends, this tool gives me an edge. It has enabled me to spot opportunities that I might not have noticed otherwise.
So that sounds like a total game changer. Having that real-time insights is crucial, especially when you need to make quick decisions. So how about you? What's been your go-to tool in fund trading?
Well, for me, it's all about the risk management tools. They allow me to customize the amount of risk I'm willing to take on any trade. This has been key for me, especially in volatile markets like crypto. WeMasterTrade helps me stay disciplined and in control, ensuring that I never take on more risk than I'm comfortable with. That's what keeps me grounded, even when the market is going wild.
So risk management is so important, especially in today's fast-moving market. I believe that whether you're in forex or fund trading, having the right tools makes a world of difference. And I hope that everybody's taking notes because Scarlett and Rav are dropping some serious pro level insight today. And next up, we are going to kick things up a notch because it's time to dive into one of the most, I believe, powerful features here at WeMasterTrade, the packet comparison. So whether you're a fresh pay newbie eager to get your feet wet, or a seasoned pro looking to scale your game to new heights, I believe that this segment is for you, because this is where you find the perfect trading packet to match your goals and take your trading from good to great. So let's be clear, here at WeMasterTrade, we know there is no one-size-fits-all in trading. Every trade is unique with different styles, risk tolerance and strategies. So that's why we offer multiple customizable packages to meet you exactly where you are in your trading journey. Whether you're aiming for high risks and high rewards, or you prefer the steady, methodical approach, there's something here for you. And to break it all down, I've got the awesome hand and Brad. He's got two of WeMasterTrade finalists, so they both work closely with these packages that are here to give us the inside scoop on how to leverage each one to its full potential. So let's jump in, Scarlett. You've been with WeMasterTrade for a while now, and I believe that using firsthand how these packages can evaluate a trader experience. So can you first kick things up by walking us through how both new and experienced traders can benefit from the packet comparisons, and why is it such a game-changing feature here in the WeMasterTrade experience?
Well, absolutely, Aiden. I really enjoy discussing these packages because it's where traders can truly customize the experience. The package comparison features simplify the process for traders to understand precisely what they are getting. When you visit the website, there's a detailed comparative overview of each package that includes information like the initial balance, profit targets, the loss limits, and more. All the essential details are presented in a straightforward, easy to navigate table. It's all structured to assist trader in selecting the best tools for their success. So let's talk about the standard package, one of the most popular options. This one is great for traders who got some experience and are ready to level up. You start with an initial balance of up to $200,000, which gives you plenty of room to trade confidently and make strategic moves. The profit target is set at 6%, which is perfect for traders aiming for steady, sustainable growth, and the last cap is 4%. So you got enough breathing room to ride out market swings without stretching too much. It's an awesome balance between opportunity and security.
So that sounds like a perfect stepping stone for traders who are looking to level up without jumping in too deep too quickly. A 200,000 balance and a size 6% profit target give you, I believe, a ton of flexibility to build momentum. But for those who are looking for something, a bit more feeling, so let's talk about the 5-10-10 package. So Scarlett, I hear that it's one of favourite for high risk, high reward traders. So what makes a 5-10-10 such a standout?
Well, the 5-10-10 package, now we're taking big leaps. Like the standard package, you start with $200,000. But this package is for those traders who are ready to take on bigger risk for bigger rewards. The daily loss cap is 5%, give you more flexibility in how you can handle market. But here's the kicker, the profit target jumps to 10%. This is perfect for traders who have confidence in their strategies and are looking to make those major gains. It's all about having a higher tolerance for risk in exchange for bigger payouts.
So that's what I'm talking about, a 5% loss cap and a 10% forward target. That's definitely for traders who aren't afraid to go big and swing for the fences. But what if someone's looking for something more relaxed? maybe they want something simpler without all the specific profit targets. So Rob, I've heard about the 5-10-0 package, so can you somehow break it down for us?
Absolutely, Aiden. The 5-10-0 package is ideal for traders who want a straightforward, no-nonsense approach. You start with a $100,000 balance, but here's the cool part, there's no profit target. You can trade freely without the stress of hitting specific percentages. It's just you, the market, and your strategies. The dilute cap stays at 5%, giving you some structures, but the beauty here is that it allows traders to focus on consistency without worrying about specific goals.
So that sounds like a dream for traders who just want to trade without all the restrictions. Total freedom, no pressure, just you and the market. Now, Ralph, what about those traders who want a bit more control over the risk management, but still want to play in a bit high-stake arena? So what can you tell us about the 5-10-10 no PC package?
Well, the 5-10-10 no BC package is perfect for traders who want more control over the trades. You still get the $200,000 starting balance and the 5% loss cap, but the flexibility is the real selling point here. This package allows you to tweak and adjust your trading parameters to match your style and risk management preferences. Whether you are reacting to market changes or want to experiment with different strategies, this package gives you the freedom to adapt without losing the safety net of risk management.
So flexibility and control in a volatile market, I believe that's huge, and I love how these packages are giving traders more ways to adapt and grow. Now that we've covered a lot, but I've been hearing whisper about something really special, the custom package. So Scarlett, tell us, what makes this one so exciting?
Okay, the custom package is where things get really exciting. This is for the traders who want it all: full control, full customization, and a massive starting balance. You get a dropping for $400,000 initial balance. Yes, $400,000, but that's just the beginning. The real beauty is that you can customize everything: daily loss limits, overall loss limits, and even your profit target. It's perfect for traders who know exactly what they're doing and want to craft a trading experience that matches their exact needs. It's the ultimate in freedom and control.
So a 400k starting balance and the ability to customize your entire trading experience, I believe that's next level trading. So whether you're just a risk taker or a methodical trader, the custom package sounds like the ultimate playground for those who want to take the trading to the stratosphere. So let's just quickly recap. So whether just starting with the standard package, going for bigger reward with the 5-10-10 package, enjoying full freedom with 5-10-0, or taking control with 5-10-10 no PC, or you could choose to simply customize everything with the custom package. WeMasterTrade has the perfect option for you. So the only question is, which one is calling your name? So head over to the pack comparison sections on our website right now and check it out for yourself. So we've got packages designed to fit every trader, no matter where you are on your journey. Let us know in the chat which package speak to you, and our team is ready to help you get started. The future of trading is in your hands, so let's make it happen. So now that we've talked about the packages and how you can jumpstart your trading journey with WeMasterTrade, but let's be real, success in trading isn't just about the package that you choose. It's also have to be about understanding and sticking to the rules. So the conditions that we all set here at WeMasterTrade are designed to not only keep you safe, but also to help you grow and take your strategy to the next level. So you're just getting started, or you've been trading for years. I believe that these conditions will act as your roadmap. So let's first dive into the rules that define our trading environment, because if you understand rules, you can master the game. And first on the list, and arguably one of the most important, is a daily loss limit. So Raf, you've been through it all, the high, the low, so can you kick things up by explaining to everybody how this daily loss limit works and why it's so crucial for managing risk?
Absolutely, Aiden. Your die loss limit is one of the most essential protections any trader can employ. It serves as a daily circuit breaker to prevent you from suffering significant losses on a challenging day. The concept is straightforward. There is a limit to how much you can lose in a single day of trading, and it's determined by the greater true values, your account balance, or your equity at the beginning of the day. Let me break that down with an example so everyone understands it clearly. The first one example, let's say you got a balance of $105,000, but due to some open trades, your equity, which include floating profit and loss, is 107,000 at the start of the day. If you're working with a 4% daily loss limit, that means you can lose up to $4,000. And if your equity falls below $103,000, you are done trading for the day. And for the next example, on the flip side, if your balance is 100,000 and your equity is 99,000, the same but 4% loss limit would mean your account would be liquidated if your equity dips below 96,000. The point is the die loss limit is there to make sure a bad day doesn't wipe you out completely. It's about protecting your account and giving you the chance to regroup and come back stronger the next day.
So it's like an insurance policy for your trading day. You hit that limit and boom, you're up before things get out of hand. But what happens if a trader accidentally crosses that line? Can they keep trading?
Well, great question. No, if you breach the daily loss limit, your account is automatically liquidated, or your open positions will be closed and you won't be able to trade again, or unless you buy a new trading package. So here's the things. This liquidation is automatic and immediate. It's designed that way to prevent further losses. But here's the word of caution. Market fluctuations can sometimes cause you to lose a bit more than the limit, depending on how fast the market is moving.
So it's a hot stop, definitely something traders should keep an eye on to avoid. And now that we understand what the daily loss limit is and what happens when it hits, so the next question is how to avoid hitting that limit in the first place. So Rob, you've been in the trading trenches for years. Can you share some practical strategies that traders can use to stay within the daily loss limit? We're all ears.
You got it, Aiden. Staying within the die loss limit is all about being disciplined and following a solid risk management plan. Here are a few key strategies that have worked wonder for me and countless other traders. First, and I can't stress it enough, always use a stop loss. And I know it sounds simple, but it's absolutely critical. The stop loss ensures that if the market moves against you, you are out of the trade before things get out of hand. Think of it as your safety net.
So that's like setting up guardrails on a mountain road, right? If fair to stop before you go off the cliff.
Well, exactly, Adam. Is that extra layer of protection. Now, the second strategy is position sizing. This is where a lot of traders slip up. You should never risk too much on a single trade. A good rule of thumb is to risk no more than 1 to 2% of your account balance per trade. This way, even if the trade doesn't go your way, you still far from hitting your daily loss limit and you can keep trading without any major setbacks.
So it's like building a defense. You don't put everything in one play, right? You spread out the way. That actually makes sense. But what about those moments when traders felt tempted to chase actual losses? You know, trying to get it all back in one trade.
Oh, that's a big one, Aiden. Chasing losses is one of the biggest mistakes traders make, especially new ones. This brings me to my third strategy. Don't chase losses. If you're having a tough day, take a step back. The market will always be there tomorrow. If you start chasing losses, trying to recover too quickly, it's easy to make emotional decisions that lead to even bigger losses. And before you know it, you hit that daily loss limit and you're out for the day.
So true. It's like trying to sprint when you're ready wanted. You're more likely to make a mistake. Now, right, these strategies sound spot on, but how do traders stay mentally strong when things aren't going their way? What keeps them from falling into that emotional trap of chasing losses?
Well, it's all about mindset, Aiden. Trading is just as much a mental game as it is a number game. You got to stay calm and focused. One trick is to always have a trading plan before you even place a trade. That way, when things get tough, you stick to the plan and avoid making impulsive moves. And if you find yourself getting emotional, just stop, take a break, step away from the screen and reset your mindset.
So, thank you, Rob, for those incredible tips on managing daily loss. Now let's shift our focus to another critical element of risk management, the maximum loss limit. But this limit is like your long-term safety net, ensuring that you don't deplete your account over time. Unlike the daily loss limit, which resets at the end of each day, the maximum loss limit is cumulative, so when you reach it, your account will be locked and your trades will be closed. So to dive deeper into this, let's discuss how the maximum loss limit works, how is it calculated, and what is essential for every traders at every level. So Rafa, I know that you brought some great insights into the mechanics of the maximum loss limit. So could you walk us through how this rule works and what traders need to keep in mind as they plan their trading strategies?
Of course, Aiden, the maximum loss limit is a vital rule that's often overlooked but extremely important. Essentially, it's there to prevent traders from experiencing catastrophic losses by capping how much you can lose across the life of your trading account. Let's break it down. The maximum loss limit ensures your account equity never falls below 94% of its initial balance. So if you start with a balance of 50,000, your account will be closed once your equity falls to around $47,000. That's a total allowable loss of $3,000. However, it's not all bad news. If you start making profit, the limit adapts, giving you more breathing room as your equity grows. For example, if your account balance increases to 52,000, you are now made 2,000 in profit. Your new maximum loss limit would then allow you to lose up to $5,000 as you are essentially locking in those gains. The maximum loss limit acts as a long-term safeguard. It's designed not only to protect your account, but also to encourage disciplined trading by setting boundaries. The goal is to ensure you don't dig yourself into a hole that's too deep to recover from. So here are a few specific examples. The first case, let's say your account balance starts at 50,000, but your equity drops to 49,000 due to some market losses. You are allowed to lose another 2,000 before your account hits the critical 47,000 threshold and is automatically closed. For the second case, now if you are doing well and your equity rises to $51,000, you have got some extra cushion. At this point, you are allowed to lose up to 4,000 before your account hits the same 47,000 limit. And now to figure out where you will stand, the maximum loss limit is calculated by adding the sum of your closed positions and factoring in any open positions that are still running. Your trading dashboard will show two key metrics: the max permitted loss, which is how much you are allowed to lose overall, and the remaining loss, which is the loss left before your account is closed. Now, what happens if you hit the limit? Well, unfortunately, if your equity hits the maximum loss limit, the system will automatically close the account for the day. On your open position will be liquidated, whether they are profitable or not, and you'll be unable to trade for the rest of the day. And to resume trading, you will need to purchase a new trading package.
So thank you, Rob, for such a fantastic breakdown of the maximum loss limit. So next up, we are going to enter a short break, and after that, we're going to continue explore the trading rules here at WeMasterTrade and the promotional plans that we are currently running.
copy trade. We copy trade. We copy trade. Trade.
So next up, we are going to walk you through our streamlined payout process. WeMasterTrade, we believe in is making it as easy as possible for you to access your hard-earned profit. So we offer various options for receiving your payouts, including bank transfer, PayPal, and cryptocurrencies like USDC. So to ensuring flexibility and convenience.
Well, our payout process is both fast and secure. After you make a profit and meet the payout requirements, you can simply log into your account, request a payout, and follow the on-screen instructions. Our team will process your request promptly, and in most cases, you can expect to receive your funds within 24 hours. It's that simple. And if you ever run into any issues or have questions about your payout, our customer service team is always here to help. You can reach us via live chat, email, or through our support ticket system on the website. We're committed to ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience for all our traders.
So transparency is a key part of our philosophy, and that's why we are always here to answer any question you might have about your account or the payout process. Just feel free to ask in the comment, and we'll address your queries as we go. And next up, we will introduce you to one of our very powerful tools, the financial instruments list of WeMasterTrade. So I hope Rob could help us understand more about it.
Welcome to the symbol overview page of WeMasterTrade. Here you can explore a comprehensive list of financial instruments available for trading, including cryptocurrencies, forex, stocks, metal, energies, and indices. Our platform offers clients the opportunity to trade with demo accounts using virtual funds, and we also utilize exclusive algorithms to copy your trades to our live trading account. On this page, you will find detailed specifications for each trading symbol, including contract sizes, margin percentages, leverage options, and commission details. It's important to note that due to market fluctuation, some symbols may not always be available for trading.
So next up, we've got something incredible to share with you today, the beginner-friendly challenge for WeMasterTrade. So this program is our gateway to leveling up your trading game getting funded and earning a 60% profit share, a 90% profit share?
Well, absolutely, Aidan. This challenge is a game changer for traders who want to hone their skills and start trading with real funds. It's designed to be accessible for everyone, no matter their experience level. So if you're tuning in today, you're about to learn how you can take your trading to the next level. Let's dive into the details and show you how this program works step by step.
So the WeMasterTrade challenge is designed to help traders hone their skills and get funding without risking their own money. So participants start by trading with virtual funds on the Enterprise platform. So Scarlett, can you share more details about the account options available?
Of course, Aidan. One of the best things about this program is its flexibility. You can select an account size that suits your preference, ranging from $5,000 to $100,000. This range ensures that whether you're testing out strategies or aiming for higher stakes, there's an option for you. And don't forget, as you progress, there are opportunities to scale up your account size. Plus, these accounts are designed to mimic real-world conditions, giving you a realistic trading experience from the start.
That's right, and the structures of the challenge make it on the more exciting. There's two phases to complete. Phase 1 focuses on consistency and following risk management rules, which are key traits for all successful traders. It's about proving that you can trade profitably while adhering to set parameters such as maximum daily drawdown or an overall loss limit. This phase emphasizes discipline, which is essential for long-term success.
Yes, and phase 2 is where things get even more exciting. In this phase, you demonstrate your ability to generate profits while still maintaining the discipline habits you developed. The criteria are slightly more relaxed compared to phase 1, but the focus on steady, consistent gains remains. It's all about showing that you can handle the pressure of trading while staying within professional standards.
And here's the reward. Once you successfully complete both phases, you are granted real funds to trade with. The profit sharing model is incredibly generous. You will earn 90% of the profits you generate. Imagine turning your trading skill into real substantial earnings with such a high profit share. It's a level of trust and opportunity that's hard to find elsewhere.
So another thing to note is that WeMasterTrade Challenge is designed to teach you valuable lessons for risk management and trading psychology. So by participating, you're not just earning an opportunity to trade with real funds, but you're also building a strong foundation for a successful trading career. So it's a win-win for traders at every level. So let's talk about, the standard features that make the challenge so unique. So Scarlett, could you, highlight the varieties of the instruments available?
Of course, one of the biggest advantages is the diversity of trading instruments. You have access to over 300 symbols, including forex, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. This variety allows you to test and apply different strategies across multiple markets. It's perfect for traders who want to diversify their portfolios and gain experience in different market conditions.
And speaking of strategies, the challenge supports unlimited approaches. Whether you prefer scalping, automated trading, news trading, or even copy trading, the platform accommodates this flexibility means you can stick to your strength while exploring new methods if you wish.
So another incredible thing is that WeMasterTrade covers all trading losses. So this removes huge barriers for many traders, allowing them to focus on learning and improving without the fear of losing their own capital. Plus, WeMasterTrade copies your trades to live markets, ensuring that your skills and strategies are put to real-world use.
And for those of you who want to skip the steps and jump straight into trading with real funds, WeMasterTrade offers instant funding products. These are designed for experienced traders who are confident in their abilities and ready to start earning immediately. It's a fantastic option for those who want to fast-track their trading journey.
So next up we are going to enter the analysis of today's news calendar.
So about the news calendars for today, this analysis covers the key economic events scheduled for March 27 and their potential impact on financial markets, investors, traders, and economists. The day's events focus primarily on U.S. economic data and political speeches, which could drive significant market volatility. The first event is about the USD high-impact events. First of all, the President Trump speaks. For the analysis, political speeches by former or current U.S. presidents can have significant market implications, especially if they touch on topics such as economic policy, trade relations, taxation, and monetary policies. And if Trump criticizes the Federal Reserve or suggests major fiscal stimulus, markets could react with increased volatility. If his speech focuses on geopolitical risks such as trade wars or foreign relations, this could create uncertainty, leading to risk of sentiment. USD strength as a safe haven. Investors and traders should monitor the tone and content of his speeches for policy-related comments that may affect sectors like technologies, trade, and energies. And for the market impact, hawkish or pro-business rhetoric bullish for USD and stock prices. Political uncertainty or negative comments on the Fed periods for USD increase volatility. The next event, the final GDP. For the impact analysis, the final GDP report confirms economic growth for the previous quarter, since the reported 2.3% growth matches expectations. This is likely to have a neutral impact on the market. And if GDP had been higher than expected, it could have strengthened the USD, signaling strong economic performance. A weaker number would have raised concern about economic slowdown. For the market impact, no major surprises equal to limited impact. For the future market focus, traders will shift attention to the next quarter growth indicator, such as employment and inflation data. The next event is the unemployment claims. For the impact, quickly jobless claim provide insight into the labor market health. An increase from 223,000 to 225,000 is minimal and still within a healthy range, suggesting that the labor market remains strong. If claims and risen significantly, it would indicate labor market weakness, potentially increasing expectations for Fed rate cuts. Given the current numbers, this data does not signal any major shift in labor market conditions. And the next event is the final GDP price index. The GDP price index measures inflation tied to GDP. A stable 2.4% means inflation remains moderate. If the index had been higher, it might indicate rising inflationary pressures, which could influence the Federal Reserve rate policies. Since it aligns with expectations, it suggests that inflation is not accelerating too quickly, allowing the Fed to maintain its current policy stance. The next event is the pending home sale. Pending home sale indicate future housing market activity as they measure contracts signing for home purchases. The increase of 0.9% from the previous month, minus 4.6%, drop suggests a recovery in housing demand. This could signal improving consumer confidence and economic resilience, supporting the USD. However, housing demand is also highly sensitive to interest rates. If mortgage rates remain elevated, home sale might struggle in future months. For the market impact, improvement in home sale equal to positive for USD consumer confidence and real estate markets. However, if mortgage rates stay high, housing demand could remain volatile. And for the next summary and market strategy, Scarlett, can you help me?
Okay, so I continue with the summary and market strategy. So the key takeaways first is about the jump speeches could increase market volatility, especially if they include comments on economic policy or the Federal Reserve. The second is the GDP data met expectation. So the market will likely focus on upcoming inflation and employment reports. Next up is unemployment claims remain stable, suggesting a strong labor market and no immediate concerns. And the last one is the pending home sales rebounded, signaling positive momentum in the housing sector. And next up is about the market strategy for investors and traders. First, for the forex traders, the USD should remain stable with a slight bullish bias due to strong economic data. Next is if Trump's speech sparked political uncertainty, risk of sentiment could strengthen the USD as a safe haven. And if the market views GDP data as neutral, traders may shift focus to inflation and jobs data next week. And for a stock market investor, if Trump signals business-friendly policies, stocks could see short-term gains. The next is a stable labor market, and recovering home sales may push consumer-driven sectors like retail and real estate. However, ongoing rate concerns could still weigh on high-growth tech stocks. And for real estate investor, the housing market is showing signs of resilience, but future demand will depend on interest rate trends. And for the bond market and Fed watch, a stable inflation suggests no immediate need for Fed rate hikes or cuts. If an unemployment rise in the coming weeks, expectation for a rate cut later in the year could increase. And the final market outlook, for the USD outlook, stable to slightly bullish due to strong labor and housing data. For stock market, moderately positive, bearing any major political risk for Trump's speeches. And the bond market is neutral as inflation data does not indicate major shifts in Fed policy. And for the forex market, expect moderate volatility with a focus on Trump's comments. So traders should watch for unexpected headlines or geopolitical risk that could shift sentiment. That is the news calendar.
Thank you, Scholar and Ralph, for such in-depth analysis of today's economic calendar, and thank you all for joining us today. So we hope that this session has been informative and that you are as excited about the opportunity here at WeMasterTrade as we are. So remember to like, subscribe, and share the live stream with others who might benefit from it. And don't forget to follow us on our social media platform for more updates, promotions, and trading tips. Stay tuned for upcoming events, and we'll look forward to seeing you again soon. Until next time, happy trading.
WeMasterTrade.